Mabrica, saludos. Soy yo, Tequina Irú, directora del Centro Cultural de Puerto Rico, aquí in Austin. And where am I? I am standing in front of this famous painting my husband gave me for my birthday. He knows that my love for my culture and my people run deep. Did you know that the Puerto Rican Cultural Center is celebrating the 25th year of bringing island masters that are tradition bearers of Bomba, Plena, Jibaro, Salon, and Taino traditions to Austin? And this year, our project is going to celebrate a cultural exchange with Puerto Rico and Bahia, Brazil. Enjoy this video as we announce the guest artist for this year's project, and watch for future podcasts as we unfold this wonderful project that will bring a picnic in April and the June Salsa and Heritage Festival. So, this is Tequina Irú. Chali, happiness.
Oh.
Hi, this is Tequina Irú, and I'm at the Puerto Rican Cultural Center with our company dancers. Yay, company dancers! Woo! And what am I doing here? Well, the moment that you've all been waiting for, I'm announcing the guest artist for our upcoming picnic. So, from Bahia, we have Bahia Folklore and Traditions, and our guest artists are Marcia Workman from Bahia, who's here today to help teach us how to dance.
Ashe.
Also, Luiz Coutinho and Capoeira Luanda from San Antonio will be representing Bahia. So if you're from Bahia, Brazil, or love it, you're gonna love this. And then Puerto Rican Folkloric Dance, our company, is going to be presenting Montañas, as well as Plena, and we're hoping that our baby coqui dancers will also do a song. So, and last but not least, we're going to set the grass on fire with Bomba de Loiza. We are bringing Nercy Cordova from Loiza, Dr. Pablo, Luiz, Rivera, and Raul de La Paz from Puerto Rico. So the picnic is gonna be amazing. And last but not least, Texarican 512 is going to be selling comida criolla. So the picnic's wonderful, and I will put the rest of the details down in the comments, so don't miss it.